Yeah, so we're gonna spend the afternoon at the beach, and baby Haley's in the back seat. She's tucked in pretty tight because we're gonna have a bumpy road. Okay, guys, see you there. Woo, almost there. Probably looks like we're not even moving at all. Alright, see you guys there. Hey guys, so we're at the beach, and I just wanted to show you guys. It's super cute today. But yeah, this is her. So we're at the beach. It's our first time here. I'm super excited. I never brought a reborn here at a beach before. We're the only ones here today because it's a little chilly, but it's not super cold. So we are just relaxing, and she's in her jacket, and so having fun. So just wanted to show you guys the water. And look, there's crabs. There's like, what are these things called? Hermit crabs, something. So yeah, super cute. I'm gonna take pictures of her footprint and my footprint together, and we're gonna have some fun today. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more fun videos, and I'll see you guys soon. It's me again, taking a video of baby Haley and I putting our footprints together. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take her foot and do that. And there's our footprints. Oh, her feet didn't leave a mark. Just gotta push down. Right there. Right there. Yep. Okay, guys. Oh, wait, actually, yeah, let's see what